Whole genome sequencing is a technology that requires a lot of expertise, requires important infrastructure in terms of storage data and data analysis, and in the past has always been limited by the high cost. Like doing a whole genome sequencing cost a few $1,000s. A few years ago, $10,000, even 10 years ago. Right now, thanks to this new technology, whole genome sequencing can be, we can get whole genome sequencing data for a few $100s. So now whole genome sequencing is cheaper than the standard diagnostic test we do, and it's massively more informative. We're talking about comparing steam engine versus Tesla. So whole genome sequencing is our Tesla. So I think right now we are not ready from infrastructure standpoint, but from the biological treatment and also financial standpoint, I think the field is moving fast toward genomics. So it could be whole exome, target, whole genome, but that's something is going to happen fast. In myeloma, it's going to happen even faster thanks to the new International Myeloma Society guidelines for high risk that are still unpublished, but the paper is going to come out soon and the data have been already released, where TP53 mutations is part of the high-risk definition. So if you cannot detect TP53 mutations because you don't do the sequencing of the DNA of the patient, then you will not know if the patient is high-risk properly. And because we want to treat our patients in the best way as possible, and TP53 mutation is becoming one of the key factors to identify, all the centers in the world, or at least in Europe and in America that have this capability, should do this testing. And people are working around that. There are important experience in France, where they're already doing trials where they do all sequencing. Other groups are doing other sequencing platforms. So I think it's happening fast in a very heterogeneous way. But at a certain point, I think we'll also reach a consensus where it's not just detecting the mutation, but also how to detect and what is the best approach to detect. And hopefully this will come soon.